Hey guys, just me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio up here. And this unit is from Jim in East Weymouth, Michigan. Just a simple, basically a component player with no features. Got eject button and a program selector button. So let's go ahead and pop her in and make sure it works before we send her back.
Just pretend you're a king, bounce the world on its string. All I think, Alice in Wonderland, the deep blue sea. Gonna break your heart. Oh, honey, kiss Wonderland, really don't know, waste no time.
Alrighty, hit the eject. And it stops. And that's all there is to it. There's not much to test on a standalone simple component player like this. Just make sure it works and changes tracks. So that was a quick one. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio up here. To reach me for service, please visit the website that's in the description below. And if you download and print a work order before calling me with questions, you may not need to call me because my work order has all my options and prices, including options for turnaround time. So please make that the first step towards contacting me about prices and options and all that. So thanks so much for watching and listening, and thank you, Jim, for your second job from East Weymouth, Michigan, and we'll see you guys next time.